Game reward apps can advertise big earning potential, but the real difference comes from how clearly they explain rewards, tasks, and payout requirements. By the end, you'll know how to judge money-making games based on actual payout factors, instead of relying only on marketing claims. The first thing to check is how the reward system works. A game that pays users should clearly explain how players earn rewards and what actions count toward earning. Before spending time on a game, read the reward rules and understand the requirements for receiving a payout. The second thing to compare is the payout process. Different games can have different redemption methods, and some make the process easier to understand than others. Check the available payout information before investing hours into gameplay. Another factor is whether the game shows clear progress tracking. A good reward system should help users understand what they have completed and what remains before they can claim rewards. Review the app dashboard and reward details so you know how your progress is measured. The third factor is the type of gameplay required. Some games require more active time, while others may include different tasks or challenges. Choose games that match the amount of time you are willing to spend, because the reward system only matters if the activity fits your routine. Marketing claims can make games look similar, but the details usually separate the better options from the disappointing ones. Look for clear explanations about earning, rewards, and withdrawals, instead of only focusing on promotional messages. User reviews can also reveal common issues. Pay attention to repeated complaints about unclear reward rules, missing payouts, or changes to the earning system. Use reviews as a reference, but check the current app information because features and policies can change. A practical way to test a new game is to start with a small amount of time. Complete a few tasks, check how the reward system responds, and decide if the process is worth continuing. This prevents wasting hours before understanding how the game actually works. The best money-making games are not always the ones making the biggest promises. They are the ones with clear rules, understandable rewards, and a payout process that users can follow. To summarize, check reward rules, understand payout steps, and test games before committing a lot of time. Your next step is to compare how each game works instead of choosing based only on advertisements. If this guide helped you find better reward games, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.